Guys, this is just a short 1-minute video about my review of the Predator 79cc OHV horizontal shaft gas engine. I picked this up at Harbor Freight. These run about $100 and I had to put it on my lawnmower. So this is my lawnmower here. Everything bolted up perfectly. It replaced my factory 3 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, and everything, like I said, everything bolted up perfectly. The mounting bolts aligned perfectly, the shaft aligned perfectly. I guess the only thing that I had to do was the block on my standard engine was a little bit thicker, and so I had to put some spacers underneath these bolts just to raise this platform up just about 1/4 of an inch. That was about the only thing. Basically, put this to run, that to choke. Turn this to the on position. Get it. So in my opinion, it has plenty of cutting power for my lawnmower. I recommend it. I give it a 5-star. And there you go. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.